Arsenal, you people have started playing rubbish as usual. Maria, stop tickling me. I don't like it. What's the problem? You see, I'm seeing a match now. You're tickling me.
Baby, you know tomorrow is Friday. Thank God it's Friday.
Continue.
So where are you taking me?
Church. I'll take you to church for night vigil.
Jesus is Lord.
Stop, please. Tell me where you're taking me. We can't stay indoors all Friday nights now. It's not going to be fun. We need to go out. Then you buy some peppered barbecue fish and shawarma.
The money that I have used to buy shawarma and barbecue fish for you in this relationship would build a 6-bedroom duplex.
Baby, so what are you insinuating?
You told me by yourself that your favorite shawarma seller just bought a brand new car. Isn't that so?
Wow, that's so true. She bought a brand new car and she and her husband moved into a brand new apartment that they just built.
And you are very happy for her, right?
You be mumu.
Yes, of course. Why not?
So your own goal and ambition in life is to be patronizing shawarma vendors and enriching them, while you have nothing. You have no job, you have no business, you just sit around, you wait for me to do practically everything for you. And weekends, we'll go out, we'll spend hard-earned money on irrelevant things that you just eat and drink. That's all you know. Gradually, you are becoming a liability to me, but you don't know.
Anytime you talk about this, my unemployment, it saddens me. You always try to mock me at every point in time. If you're tired of providing for me financially, tell me. Trust me, I'll stop asking you for things.
I am not mocking you. I am only pushing you to become successful and useful to yourself in the future. You don't graduate from school, sit down, do nothing all week, and party all weekend eating shawarma and barbecue fish. I remember several times I have told you that I will provide capital for any business of your choice, but you've never been able to come up with any business. I have an idea for you. Since you love eating shawarma and barbecue fish a lot, why don't you start a shawarma and grill business? I promise I am going to provide you with everything you need to start it, even including the capital.
You think everything is about money? To start shawarma and grill business, it's all about you providing the capital. What about the basic knowledge about the business? How am I going to get that? The only knowledge I have about shawarma and barbecue fish is how to eat it. If eating is the only expertise I need, then I can even start immediately. But you see how to sell it, or set it up, or prepare them, I have zero knowledge.
I meant it when I said I was going to provide you with everything you need to start. Apart from the capital, I'm going to give you a guideline that will help you to start a profitable shawarma and grill business in Nigeria. But you must first of all know that the first thing you need to do is mentorship. I will introduce you to a family friend who is into the business, and he will mentor you for between 2 to 3 months so that you have hands-on experience. But you see, the theoretical requirements that you need, I am going to briefly tell you now so that you'll be prepared and ready.
Wow, this is looking interesting. Okay, so what is the first thing I need to have in place before I start this shawarma or barbecue fish or chicken business?
Number one thing you must note is location. You need to be careful and mindful of where you locate your shawarma and grill business. Wrong siting would almost certainly guarantee the failure of your business. You see, you need a place with great inflow and outflow of people. Like you can site it at a popular lounge or bar, like at a shopping mall or a major bus stop, market square, eatery, or around any popular higher institution. Yeah, those are the target places. You don't want to go and spot your shawarma business in a village where people can hardly feed, let alone going out to buy snacks. You understand what I'm saying?
This is a valid point you just made. There's no poor person that is going to go out weekends or even during the week to buy shawarma to eat when he or she has not even had 3 square meal. Wow, that's a good point to note. Thank you. Go ahead. What else?
After getting a good location, the next thing is to put your structure on it. Keep it simple. A small container or shop by the roadside is a great way to start.
I just hope that the ingredients and the equipment are not too costly.
I have told you that I have it all figured out and that I will provide everything that you need. Now, for the ingredients you need to make shawarma, you need shawarma bread, you need tomatoes, you need cucumber, you need cabbage, you need carrots, you need ketchup, mayonnaise, chicken breasts, chicken thighs, vegetable oil, etc., etc. As for the fish and the chicken barbecue, what you need is a grill, then peppered sauce. You can handle the recipe yourself and do it however you like. You can liaise with local catfish farmers as a source of your fish or any type of fish, and also a local poultry can provide the chicken that you need.
I think I pretty much know how to make barbecue fish and chicken. Okay, I'm more interested in the equipment. The equipment I need to be making all these grills, especially the shawarma.
As for the equipment that you need, the first one is the shawarma grill. Okay, it could be locally fabricated. It is the rotating shawarma grill. Number 2, the seal and the press. This one is what seals off the ends of the shawarma wraps. Okay, it's a flat surface sealing machine. Then number 3, you need your pots. Number 4, you need a show glass to display your shawarmas. Number 5, of course, you need the cookers. Number 6, you need fire extinguisher, God forbid, in case there's a fire outbreak. Then number 7, you need deep freezer. Number 8, of course, you need chairs and tables for sit-outs of those of your customers and clients. Yeah.
This is quite interesting. You do have a sound knowledge of how to start this business. But let me ask you, what is the cost of getting all these equipments? How much exactly am I going to need to start this business? Tell me.
Will you keep quiet?
That is a very lazy question for you to ask. I have given you all the details you need to start this business. I have even mentioned all the ingredients and the equipment you need to start this business. I cannot give you everything. If I mention the price or amount that is going to take for you to start this business in this video, what if people now watch this video in the next 10 years? Would that price still be relevant? It will no longer be relevant. You know how unstable things are economically. Every year there is inflation. Prices are never fixed in one place. Now that I've given you the knowledge you require to start this business, it is up to you as an aspiring entrepreneur to go out there and do feasibility so that you know the price and amount of things. Then get back to me to provide the capital.
It's okay, sorry. You could have made your point without calling me lazy. Every time you're looking for opportunity to insult somebody. Please go ahead. What else? What else do I need? I'm excited already. I said, what else do I need? You are busy dancing.
Music. That was why I danced. And it also answers your question. After setting up your shawarma business, you know shawarma takes a while to be ready. While your customers are waiting, they do not have to be bored. You need to keep them entertained. Play good music for them. Give them magazines and newspapers to read. If you can afford it, you can even put snooker board or large screen TV showing interesting stuff just to keep them entertained while they are waiting for your sweet and spicy shawarma or barbecue fish or chicken.
That's a good one you just mentioned. But if, however, I'm citing my barbecue stand at a popular lounge or bar or a very busy clubhouse, I won't be needing to provide any side attraction because music and other forms of entertainment are going to be there already.
You get the point now. So, let me give you general advice and tips that will help you in this business. You need to be doing home delivery. It's not every time that your clients will drive through traffic to come and buy shawarma. Establish some form of relationship with them. Let them know that they can sit at home comfortably and order for their shawarma or grilled fish and chicken, and you would deliver in good time. Also, you need to package your business. Think of a creative, intelligent, catchy name. Okay? Package your business. You can even have a logo printed on your nylons and packagings. Okay? Just to make your business look more professional. Okay? So, that is all you need to start shawarma business in Nigeria.
Thank you, Victor, for this information. You have really motivated me and given me the requisite knowledge to start this business. I can't wait to start doing my own oven or charcoal grilled fish and chicken, and also some of the best wraps of shawarma the whole country has ever seen. Now that you have given me the basic knowledge, it is now my responsibility as an aspiring entrepreneur to go out there, do feasibility of location as per citing this business, and also cost analysis of all the equipment that you mentioned. Trust me, I'll give you a feedback. As soon as I give you the feedback, I want you to take me to that your family person for mentorship. 2-3 months mentorship and I'm good to go.